I gotta get out of here because I'm sweating. Okay, hopefully it is light enough in here. I'm in my bathroom. And these are the products from the Mixed Chicks Hair for Days collection. Again, been sitting on it. Anyway, so this is what we're going to do this week. We're going to use all these products this week in this one video. And I'm going to start with the volumizer because it says you can use on damp or dry hair. So I'm going to use it as my styler. And then throughout, because now with my haircut I can get a couple of days out of my hair. I never used to be able to. And then I'm going to like see for the next couple of days if I can get through using the calming cream. There's a calming cream to eliminate some frizz. I got a hair perfume, and I have a dry shampoo, which is a powder. I don't know. I don't really know if I'm gonna need that because I have dry hair already. So my daughter would like that. I'll probably give that to her because she has more on the greasier side. If she does not wash her hair every day, she's the exact opposite of me. Okay, so let's go to this. Hopefully the truck outside stopped making noise and we can go get filming already. If not, maybe I should just film in here today, but it's all set up. Oh, I forgot the blow dryer. Okay, so we moved into the bathroom, but clearly it is still pretty noisy, but I'm hoping you don't hear that because I was on the phone with my brother. He said he didn't hear it. It's so loud. It's the microphone. So we're gonna move on anyway. It's actually a pretty background, right? I never could find the good background in my bathroom as far as lighting goes, but I think I found it. So let's get on. I'm gonna read again. We're gonna use this Hair for Days volumizer from Mixed Chicks, which, just so you know, Mixed Chicks has one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It's like I know I can always rely on it. Directions: shake well, pump into palms, and apply generously to damp or dry hair from roots to ends to freshen and add volume. Great for second day hair and beyond. Now all of these products are for second day hair and beyond, but I'm thinking I'll try and style with this. Maybe I can use the calming cream too. I think I'm gonna mix them, because why not? And then the next few days I'll just use what I need to use to keep my hair going, and we'll see how well this is. The calming cream smooths frizz, adds moisture and shine, and it's a fresh scent. I love that these all have fresh scents because, you know, that's like, you always want your hair to smell good, right? Squeeze a small amount into palms and smooth over dry, frizzy areas. Our calming cream adds shine and helps smooth frizz from root to tips. I'm gonna add a little while I style it, why not? So here we go. I think I'm gonna start putting the cream in first. And it is thick, I remember that, so. Oh, okay, there we go. It's fine, that's all I'm gonna put in. Okay, I have a feeling this is not what I think it is, but it's not, it says foam, it doesn't say mousse, so I have to keep in mind it's a foam, not a mousse. Oh, okay. I tried a product out once that was a foam, and I don't know what it was, but this at least is a foam. It is what it says. Okay, I think the hair is styled the way I want, and now I am going to dry out my diffuser. Wow, I love it. It came out great. My hair feels lightweight. My hair feels great. I really like it, and I'm starting to understand how to style this cut. I have to push it forward like this, and I think that's the best bet for it, and I'm loving it. I have to stop playing with it too. Boy, do I have to stop doing that. You know what it is? Sometimes I look at this cut in the mirror, and I know it's like, ooh, it's cool, it's new, But for those of you my age, I feel like I look like Harpo Marx, but I love it. Let's get up close. Yeah. Wow, look at the diamonds in my curls. Look good in a long time. I'm sorry about the light. It's not great. I mean, I just feel like it's a little too artificial, but it's really helping us see the curls. So now, I shouldn't have sprayed hairspray in an enclosed room like this. So now, for the next couple of days, I'm going to use my spritzer. Put some on now, why not? I actually sprayed it before. I asked my husband. He was in the bathroom with me, and he loved it. He said,
I like that.
wish I had that when I was young, because my mother washed my hair like once a month. Yeah. I'm talking about like little kid. It's too much for her. I had too much hair. She washed my hair in the sink. And then I just had a shower cap on when I had to shower, because it's like a job just to like style my hair back. Dry shampoo. Shave gently on the oily parts of your hair. Use fingers or a brush to distribute. Helps absorb excess oil and provide volume, a must when pushing wash day further away. This is definitely going to be helpful for my daughter. I'll try it. Am I going to see her? And then the calming cream, I actually used it with the foam to style this, and I love the combination. Again, it's not, I don't think this is meant to be so much a styler, but why not? Style it and maintain it all week long. Hopefully my hair looks good tomorrow at least, so I can utilize these products to make it look good. Didn't that make sense? All right, anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. You have to hear that noise. You have to hear that noise. Anyway, so I just styled my hair. I love it. You know what Joe said? He goes,
That's how your hair looks look every day. I like your hair like that.
yes, I'm learning to style it, and I told him it also depends on product. So far so good, and I love that my hair feels like it's not going to frizz. Like even if I play with it, it feels lightweight. Doesn't feel like I have thick, coarse hair. Transformed my hair. Guys, don't laugh at me. I'm purposely folding this over because this is the most comfortable sweatshirt. I got it at BJ's, which is like a Costco, for like 10 bucks. Every time we go, there's like a whole thing of sweatshirts, comfy clothes, whatever, and every time we go there I'm like, I get something. It's, you know, I work home now, so I can dress like this. And I got this, and we're at the line paying, and I see this. I'm so embarrassed. I'm a 52-year-old woman. I should not be buying Juicy Couture. Is that Juicy Couture? Is that what it said? Yeah. So I said, I'll cut it off. Just do that. Who cares? I'm not going out in it. Although I could, because it's so adorable. Like, I love it. Love it. I don't care. Well, you know, whoever, whatever. Okay, as long as it's not on my butt. Joann's Fabrics. I went to Joann's Fabrics for fun the other day. My husband needed some kind of, for work, I don't know. And they happened to have it there. And while we're online, I am one of those suckers. I hope you hear me over that. I am one of those suckers who love to look at all the little tchotchke things on the line while you pay, like Marshall's, Home Goods, they all do that to you. And this is so cute. It was $1.50. Look. They also, I should have just got both. They also had like a spruce tree, like Christmas tree. But I thought mint would be so much better. I could leave it here and I smell it and I can use it if it works. So let's do it. It's like one of those really, really ridiculously easy things to do. You got your seeds. Like this is it. Soak this, put it in there, and then you have a pot full of dirt. Hello. Okay, guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to turn this into just a full review for these products that I put in my hair for today, but I still am going to do the other days. I'm just going to put them on a different video as like a follow-up video maybe, because it's a lot of products to kind of play with and really talk about whatever. So let's just make this a typical hair product review, and still loving my hair. Like literally, I'm going to tell you something. I have been sitting on this product for so long. It's just one of those things. Okay, that's better. It's just one of those things that got pushed to the back of my hair product. This is my cabinet, and in there are many shelves of products that I've reviewed, products that I reviewed all of them. They're all reviewed. I used to have a shelf that was need to review, but like I need to get back on that. I have a basket now for that. But anyway, so sometimes I forget about products, and Mixed Chicks did send that to me, so I thank them for that. It was just so long ago that I'm embarrassed to like, but you know what? It's not that long ago, obviously, but it was long enough, and it got lost in the back. It's terrible. Had I known I had a great product on my hands, like literally, the combination of those two, my hair is like so lightweight and feathery, and I know that I could play with it and it's not gonna frizz. The color's a little weird, I know. That's my fault, as usual. See, I wanna push it back, I have to stop, I have to do this. Not so much bangs, but more like that, right? It's just habit for so many years to have your hair a certain way. It's hard to remember. Like I feel a little funny. All right, guys, so let's review. What are we doing today? I'm making dinner, and Joe's prepping. Because I don't mind cooking. I think what comes with cooking is what I hate. The prepping, cutting up vegetables, or just... I'm not a fan anymore. I'm tired of it. But I like cooking for fun, so he's doing that part. I guess he doesn't mind. And I'll do the cooking. I'll even clean. We take turns cleaning, but we take turns cooking too. Anyway, all right, let me go. Here I go talking. Okay. We'll check in with the hair later.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey guys, I thought I filmed this part, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and I'm thinking I just didn't hit record. So, I'm gonna say goodnight for the night. I like to get my pajamas on. It's like my new routine. After dinner, do some more work, get the pajamas on. Usually I wash up. I might wait to wash up, I don't know. And then go watch a show, and that's what I was telling you in the other video. I finally am excited to go watch TV, because we are watching The Watcher, which everyone kept telling me to watch, and I'm like, watch. And everybody kept saying, oh, you gotta see this one. And I was like, I don't know, it's just, it's scary and bloody. I don't want to that. But, oh my God, it's so good, and it's just such a, I don't know what it is. It's like the way it's made, and I don't I just relaxed watching it. I don't know, love the house, of course. But that's all I'm gonna say in case you didn't see it, but you should see it. It's on Netflix, I think. So, hair is so good. Loving the hair. Sorry about the bright light in my face. But again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to sleep tonight. I'm gonna roll around a little extra, and then we're gonna try those products on my second day hair, my third day hair. I don't know if I could go 4, but we'll see. We'll try it. We'll try it. And that will be in the next video to come. So, not the short, the full video. So, I will see you guys in the next video. And Mixed Chicks did it again for me. See you then.